So hello guys, so I am Vincent Kincapen, and today I will show you on how to use multimeter in measuring voltage. So these are our materials guys, multimeter, the battery we're going to measure. So first step is plug the red test leads into the positive socket and the black onto the negative socket or the comm. That's it. Second is set the range selector to the selected DC voltage range position. Let's start to the highest range selected range. So let's measure this battery. So as you can see, it didn't move. So let's put it down to 250. As you can see again, little bit moving. Put it down to 250. So again, it's little bit moving. Move to 10 volts. So the so let's measure the battery. So as we can see, the pointer is pointed into 3.6 voltage. So the value of this battery is 3.6 volts. So that's all.